Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Today we are going to see partially factored polynomial. So, what is this partially factored polynomial? So, we have a quadratic polynomials of the form. So, they will give four factors. Okay, ma? So, from this four factors, this is your partially factorized polynomial. Okay, ma? So, this four factors will given. What we have to do is, we have to simplify this and finally you have to get the root. That is your final solution. So what we have to do, four partially factor will be given. We have to simplify this and you have to get the x value, that is root or 0 or x value, whatever it is. Actually what we have to do, we have to multiply this two, then we have to multiply this two, then again we have to multiply that both, then you have to get the answer, right? And here, in this partially factored polynomial, we can use a simplest method. That is, we have to rewrite this given equation. We have to combine any two factor such that the combined equation, okay, should be like this. That is, your x square should be common and x should be common in both terms. Like that you have to combine the given equation. One more time I'll tell you. Here the four factor will be given. That four factor you have to grouping two terms, like this two terms or this two terms, or first and last, second and third, whatever may be. So you have to grouping this equation, so that after grouping the terms, okay, you will get like this two terms, correct? And what you have to notice in that, x square and x term should be equal in the both terms. You have to combine like that. So if you combine like that, the problem will be easy to do. That's all. Is that okay? So finally you have to get the x value only. So take your exercise 3.4. So your first problem, it is given that solve. So what is given? X minus 5, x plus 4, x minus 7, x plus 6 equal to 504. Okay, va? So what we are going to do? We have to grouping this term. So how can you group? Okay, and your easy method is, now look at here. We just add the constant of any two terms. So if I add these two terms, okay, I'll go with here. If I add first term and last term, what you will get? 6 minus 5 is 1. Again, if I add 4 minus 7, what I will get? 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 3. So minus 1 minus 3 is not one and the same, correct? So now I can take first term, last term, and second term and third term. So first term is what? Minus 5. Here it is what? 6. Add pannamna 1. Correct? Okay. Again, if I add, this 2. If I add this 2, answer minus 5, 4 is minus 1. Minus 7, 6 is minus 1. Correct? So I can group these two terms and these two terms. How I found out? Constant add பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். எந்த constants equal வருதோ அது ரெண்டையும் you have to group it. Okay. So now I can group these two terms and these two terms. So நீங்கள் grouping பண்ணினா just multiply x into x is x square. So how can I write that one? X minus 5, x plus 4, x minus 7, x plus 6 equal to 504. Correct? Is that okay? Now again, you have to simplify that, right? So simplify pannamna, x square minus, here you will get 4x, here you will get minus 5x. So simplify panna minus x minus 20. And if you simplify this, x square, இங்கே 6x, இங்கே minus 7x தான், இங்கேயும் minus x தான் வரும். Minus x minus 42 equal to 504. Is that right? Now look at here. இந்த ரெண்டு term equal இருக்கா? x square minus x square minus x. ஸோ நீங்கள் grouping பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி தான் grouping பண்ணணும். That term should be equal. Okay. So now what we can take is let y equal to அந்த term என்னன்னு எடுக்கலாம் x square minus x ன்னு we can take. Is that clear? So in the now this equation will change as y minus 20. Correct? Y minus 20, and here you will get y minus 42 equal to 504. Is that clear? Now again you have to multiply these two equations. So multiply panna enna varum? You will get y square minus 42y minus 20y. Idu rendu multiply panna minus into minus will be plus 840. இது இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா minus 504 equal to 0. Correcta? Again you have to simplify this one. So simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா what you will get y square minus 62y plus 336. இது ரெண்டையும் subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா which is equal to 0. Is that right? Now you can use your normal this one what is that tree method. So product 336 varanum and sum will be minus 62 varanum. How can we find out? So we can put LCM and C. So நீங்க 336 எடுத்தீங்கன்னா first 3 times போட்டீங்கன்னா 1 1 2. Again இப்போ 2 times போட்டீங்கன்னா 56. So 3 2s are 6, 56. 56 60 add பண்ணா 62 வந்துருமா? 6யும் 56 multiply பண்ணா 366 வருமா? Okay. So your tree method will be 336 and minus 62. What are the two numbers? 6 56. ரெண்டுலையுமே minus. Correcta? So ஏதாவது divide பண்ணுமா? No, nothing to divide. So what we can conclude after this, what are the factors? Y minus 6 into y minus 56 equal to 0. Correct? So separately we can write this one. So how can we write y minus 6 equal to 0? So y minus, now what is your y value? X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Correct? So minus x equal to 0. Again, if you simplify this, y minus 6 equal to 0. So again, if we do the tree method, minus 6 minus 1. So 3 2s are 6. Minus 1 வந்திருக்கனால this is the thing. Okay. So if இது எடுத்தோம்னா x minus 3 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So what is your x value here? 3 and minus 2. Correct? Now we can take the other equation. What is the next equation? Y minus 56 equal to 0. Now y க்கு பதிலா என்ன replace பண்ணலாம்? X squared minus x minus 56 equal to 0. So again 56 simplify பண்ணோம்னா 56 and what answer? We have to get minus 1 minus 56. What are the two numbers? 8 7s are 56. எங்க minus போடணும்? minus 8 we have to put minus. Okay va? So again how can you write that one? X minus 8 into x plus 7 equal to 0. From this what you can conclude? X equal to 8 comma minus 7. Is that right? So therefore the solution are x equal to minus 2 3 minus 7 and 8. This is your final answer. Is that clear? And your second question, again 4 terms partially factored will be given, so we have to grouping this. So how to group? Okay, first இது ரெண்டையும் செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். -4 -7 is -11. இது பண்ணால் -11 வராது. நெக்ஸ்ட் இது ரெண்டையும் பண்ணோம்னா -6 and இது -7 + 1 is -6. ஸோ நம்ம எதையும் grouping பண்ணலாம். This two we can grouping and this two we can grouping. Correct? So we can start this solution. So first group பண்ண terms we can write it together. So x minus 4, x minus 2, x minus 7, x plus 1 equal to 16. Now we can multiply this. What answer you will get? X square minus 6x plus 8 and into x square அதே 6 வரும் minus 6x minus 7 equal to 16. Now what we have to do? Let y equal to, see இந்த ரெண்டு term ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா? This term and this term are one and the same. Yes, so இது equal ஆயிருந்தா what we can do? Instead of that you can take it that y is equal to x square minus 6x. Correct? Now how can you rewrite that equation? Y plus 8 into y minus 7 minus 16 equal to 0. Is that right? So again what we have to do? We have to multiply this two term. So if I multiply, what you will get? Y square plus y minus 72 equal to 0. Again what we have to do? We have to find out the factor for this one. So minus 72 and what are the number? Plus 1. What are the two numbers? 9 8s are 72 and plus 1 கிடைக்கிறதுனால we have to put minus here. Correct? So what are the two numbers? Y plus 9 and y minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore what is your y value? Minus 9 comma 8. Is that okay? Now we can take first term, y plus 9 equal to 0. So y plus 9 equal to 0. Now what you can take? Replace your y value. So what is your y value? X square minus 6x. Correct? X square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Again 3 find out பண்ணோம்னா 9 minus 6, so 3 3s are 9 correct. So minus minus. Correct? So what is the, how can you write this one? X minus 3, x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore what is your x value? 3 comma 3. Similarly what we have to do next? We have to take y minus 8 equal to 0. So y minus 8 equal to 0. Correct? That is now what we have to replace. Instead of y, x square minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. So again we have to find out the tree method. Minus 8 minus 6. So 4 2s are 8. No. So what are the numbers we can take here? Idu varadu. 4 2s are 8 room, but 6 we can't get. So we can't use this what is that? Tree method we can't use. So if we can't use tree method, what we can do? We can do the formula. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Correct? So again if you simplify, x equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 8s are 32 plus 32 plus 32 by 2. So again if you simplify that, you will get 2 plus 6 plus root 68 by 2. Again 68 you have to split. So எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? 6 plus or minus root of 4 into 17. In the 68 4 into 17 we can split. So again 6 plus or minus 4 oda root வந்து 2 root 17 by 2. Again number 2 common எடுத்தோம்னா 3 you will get 3 plus or minus root 17 by 2. Correct? So this 2 will get cancelled. So what is your answer? 3 plus root 17 comma 3 minus root 17. So what you can conclude? Therefore, the solution set. Therefore, the solution set is, what are the two solutions we got there? 3. So x equal to 3 comma 3 comma 3 plus root 17 comma 3 minus root 17. This is your final answer. Okay, and your third problem is slightly it is different. இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டை வச்சு we can't grouping the term. Why? Because இங்கே if you see this x coefficient 2, இங்கே x coefficient is 1. ஸோ இந்த x coefficient டிஃபர் ஆகிருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டை மட்டும் வச்சு you cannot grouping. ஸோ வாட் யூ கேன் டூ, யூ ஹாவ் டு ஒர்க் அவுட் அண்ட் சி. ஸோ இது ரெண்டையும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு குரூப்பிங் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும், நெக்ஸ்ட் இது ரெண்டையும் குரூப்பிங் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். அண்ட் இஃப் த ஃபஸ்ட் டேர்ம் வில் கெட் ஈக்குவல் தென் யூ கேன் கன்க்ளூட் த ஆன்சர். ஸோ அப்படி பார்க்கும்போது what are the two terms you can grouping na, first and last, and second and third you can grouping. Okay, so again if you write it in the correct form, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 3, and next will be x plus 3, x minus 2 equal to 0. Now as it is, and if you multiply this you will get 4x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay, and again if you group this term you will get x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now can we take 4 common out of this? So if I take 4 common you will get x square plus x minus 3, and this will be x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now look at here, x square plus 6, x square plus 6, is that one and the same? Yes. Now we can take, let y equal to x square plus x. Is that clear? So how can we write this one? 4y minus 3, and this will be y minus 6. Correct? Y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, oh sorry, I left this 20. So 20, 20, 20, 20. Plus 20 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, so it may be minus 20. Is that okay? Now again we have to multiply these two terms, correct? So multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா what you will get, 4y square minus 27y here plus 18, இது இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா plus 20 equal to 0. Again if you simplify, 4y square minus 27y plus 38 equal to 0. Correct? Now we have to get do the tree method. So this you have to get plus 38 and minus 27. So what are the two numbers? 19 8s are minus. So 19 minus 8 is minus 27, and if you multiply this you will get minus 38, and after that we have to divide by 4. Correct? So divide by 4. So what answer you will get? 4y minus 19 is one term, and this will be 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Y minus 2 equal to 0. So from this you can take 4y minus 19 equal to 0 and y minus 2 equal to 0. After this what you have to do? You have to take this equation, replace your y value, get the x. Similarly take this equation, replace your y value, simplify and get the x value. So that is your final solution set, and this is for your homework. Complete this problem as a homework. And your next topic is polynomial equation with no additional information. So here so far we followed some method. Suppose if the power is even number na, we followed one method. Odd number na, we followed another method. Aprom partially factored na, we followed one method. So this exercise, there will be no particular method. Somehow you have to solve the equation and you have to get the answer. That's all. Okay. So under that, there will be a theorem called rational root theorem. This is your page number 119. So what is this rational root theorem means? We will take one polynomial equation. So what is a what is a polynomial equation? An x power n etc. up to a1x plus a0. So this is your polynomial equation. Okay. So in the polynomial equation, if p by q, okay, so if p by q with pq equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial, then p is a factor of a0 and q is the factor of an. So what is this given here is, we can take one polynomial equation. So in the polynomial equation, we can get all the divisor, that is p by q is a divisor. Okay, so we can take all the divisor, and if that p comma q is equal to 1, divisor எடுத்து அதோடைய value 1 இருந்தா is the root of the polynomial, then p is a factor of a0 and q is a factor of an. We can conclude like that. So I'll explain you with an example. Now look at here. We have one equation, x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. We are taking one equation. Now look at this a0. இதுதான் உங்களோட a0. இது a0, இது an. So a0 is minus 6. இதோட divisor 6 ஓட எல்லா divisorையும் எடுக்கிறோம். So what are the divisor of 6? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, 3 and plus or minus 6. கரெக்டா? இதெல்லாம் தான் divisor. ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம், கொடுத்துருக்குற ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸில் எல்லா டிவைஸரும் எடுத்துட்டோம். நவ் ஃப்ரம் ரேஷனல் ரூட் தியரம், ஓகே, நம்ம என்ன கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணலாம், என்னென்ன டிவைசஸ்லாம் கிடைச்சதோ அதுதான் கண்டிப்பாக சொல்யூஷனாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ எய்தர் ப்ளஸ் ஆர் மைனஸ் 1 ப்ளஸ் ஆர் மைனஸ் 2 ப்ளஸ் ஆர் மைனஸ் 3 ப்ளஸ் ஆர் மைனஸ் 6 தான் சொல்யூஷனோட அந்த ப்ராப்ளமோட சொல்யூஷனாக இருக்கும். பட் டெஃபினட்டாக இது எல்லாமே சொல்யூஷனாக இருக்காது. ஸோ இதில் எதெல்லாம் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகும் ஈக்குவேஷனை? -1 and 6. ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூ தான் கொடுத்துருக்கிற ஈக்குவேஷனை, இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனை சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணும். So the two values -1 and 6 satisfy the equation and other values do not satisfy the equation. So definitely the solution in -1 and 6. Okay va? Now one more equation, consider x square plus 4 equal to 0. Now 4 oda divisors la enna? Plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 4. Correct? But இது எதுவுமே இதோடைய சொல்யூஷன் கிடையாது. ரைட்டா? பிகாஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ஈக்குவல் டு -4. ஸோ -4 எடுத்திங்கன்னா ரூட் வரும். ஸோ யூ வில் கெட் அ காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர். கரெக்ட்? ஸோ இது எதுவுமே சொல்யூஷன் கிடையாது. ஸோ ஃபைனலி you can conclude that the rational root theorem helps us only to guess a solution and it does not give the solution. So in the rational root theorem நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், we can guess the solution. இதுவா இருக்குமோ டிவைசரை வச்சு maybe this is a solution guess பண்ணலாமோ தவிர it does not give a solution. Okay, so this rational root theorem, go through once again. And your next topic is reciprocal equation. So what is this reciprocal equation is, so we can use the reciprocal root. Suppose alpha be the root, now we can take 1 by alpha be the root nu போட்டு reciprocal அந்த கொடுத்திருக்கிற rootவே reciprocal போட்டு we can get the solution. But when you can use the reciprocal equation, now look at this definition. A polynomial p of x of degree n is said to be a reciprocal equation if one of the following condition is true. So what are the two conditions? P of x equal to x power n into p of 1 by x. So p of x இது equal ஆயிருக்கணும் x power n into p of 1 by x, or p of x equal to minus x power n p power 1 by x. Is that okay? Now, a polynomial p of x of degree n is said to be a reciprocal polynomial of type 1 எப்போ when this condition satisfied. இது வந்து type 2. So this is your type 1, this is your type 2. That is reciprocal equation of type 1. This is reciprocal equation of type 2. Okay, and one more condition. A polynomial equation. This equation is a reciprocal equation. So, எப்போ the கொடுத்திருக்கிற equation reciprocal னு சொல்லுவோம் if these two conditions should satisfy. என்ன first term last term equal இருக்கணும். Similarly, an minus 1 a1 equal இருக்கணும். an minus 2 a2 equal இருக்கணும். இல்லாட்டி an a not equal இருக்கணும் with opposite sign. Similarly, an minus 1 a1 equal இருக்கணும் with opposite sign. Okay, ma? So I'll show you with an example. Now take this example. Now look at here. First term last term 2 equal. minus 3 equal. root 2 equal. So இந்த மாதிரி equal இருந்தா we can use the reciprocal equation. And last topic will be non-polynomial equation. So non-polynomial means it will not be a polynomial equation. Example, take down this one. Square root of 15 minus 2x. So this is not a polynomial equation. Correct? So we have to simplify this, then only you can get the polynomial equation. So in the exercise, இந்த மாதிரி non-polynomial எப்படி solve பண்றது? Similarly, trigonometry varadum, it is a non-polynomial equation only. So இந்த மாதிரி trigonometry வந்தா, that is your non-polynomial equation. Have to change into polynomial equation and have to get the solution also. We are going to see in the next exercise. So here, what are the topics we have seen? One is reciprocal equation, non-polynomial equation, and rational root theorem. Is that clear? And your homework is exercise 3.4, that example problems. That is example 3.23, 3.24, and complete this problem also. Thank you, students.